Hello gamers! Today we're unboxing the brand new PlayStation Pulse Elite wireless headset. This is Sony's official new PS5 headset for 2025, packed with next-gen tech. Inside the box we find the headset itself, a charging hanger, dock, and a PlayStation Link USB transmitter for PC and Mac. At launch, it's priced around $150, roughly 130 pounds, putting it in the premium category. First impression, it's a striking white and black design, matching the PS5's aesthetic. The build feels solid. The ear cups are plush memory foam for comfort during long sessions. Notice the retractable boom microphone. It pulls out easily for chat and retracts when not in use. Sony even included a dedicated charging hanger. You can mount it on your wall or desk to display and charge the headset. Now let's talk features. The big headline is the planar magnetic drivers. These are studio-grade drivers that deliver extremely accurate sound. Sony promises near-perfect accuracy along the entire spectrum. In practice, the audio is incredibly detailed. Highs are crisp and bass is deep. You hear games exactly as intended. According to reviews, this headset delivers some of the best audio going on PS5, thanks to those planar drivers. Next, the wireless connection. It uses Sony's new PlayStation Link technology, a lossless, ultra-low latency wireless connection. Link Wireless sends lightning-fast, lossless audio, so there's virtually no sound lag or compression. You get full wireless freedom with PS5, and the headset also works on PC Mac via that included dongle. On top of that, it has built-in Bluetooth. You can pair your phone or tablet directly. Even cooler, you can listen to two devices at once. Say game audio from the PS5 and music, or calls from your phone simultaneously. Battery life is excellent, up to 30 hours on a charge. In real tests, it ran about 53 hours on a full charge, so it easily lasts for days of play. And it recharges quickly. Just 10 minutes of charging gives 2 hours of play. Controls are simple. There are easy volume and mic mute buttons right on the ear cup. Okay, time for a quick gaming test. We jumped into a fast-paced shooter on PS5, Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. The sound immersion is fantastic. We could hear distant footsteps, reload clicks, and even subtle ambient noises crystal clear. Gunshots and explosions had a satisfying punch. The bass was tight, but not muddy. Thanks to PS5's 3D audio, sounds felt truly surround. Enemies sneaking up behind us were obvious. In-game voices over the comm were clear and lifelike. The retractable mic did a great job. We heard ourselves clearly, and the headset's AI noise rejection filtered out background typing and fan noise. We also tried a racing game. Engine sounds and music both stood out. The headphones handled dynamic range well. Loud engines weren't distorted. Overall, the audio detail is outstanding. In fact, our tests confirm reviewers' impressions. Planar drivers make a huge difference in sound quality. So what do we think? Positives first. The sound quality and immersion are top-notch, really some of the best we've heard on the PS5. The wireless setup is plug-and-play easy, and the battery life means you can forget the charger for days. The retractable boom mic is a big plus too. It's clear and flips away neatly. On the downside, it's not the lightest headset around. After very long play sessions, it can feel a bit heavy. Another note, there's no active noise cancellation. You can still hear some ambient noise from the room. That said, some gamers prefer the more open sound. It can make the audio feel more natural. All told, the Pulse Elite is a stellar choice if you want premium gaming audio on PS5 or PC. In summary, this headset delivers premium sound and solid features. If you're serious about PS5 audio and willing to spend around $150, it's worth checking out. Thanks for watching our unboxing and review. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more gaming gear reviews.